Hey man, y'all see what's going on, man. Another POV with this shit. Told you, boy. I'm about to start dropping these joints like crazy. But we got a little 5-0 right behind us. I ain't gonna lie. Let's see what's up. Got a cool little 5-0. Let's see if you can rev this jump. You gonna rev it? Oh, you ain't revving it. You don't want to rev that jump. Y'all see enough. Well, put that bitch in track. My shit. Couldn't hear my shit. Fuck with it, bro.
I got no fucking thread on my tires.
For real?
I swear to God. I'm literally skipping every time we go up.
I don't even think I fully put that up. Today we actually about to what you call it? Fuck around with a Widebody Durango. So my man's, I know y'all see, well, I don't know if y'all seen the video, but my man's with the RT got a Durango. Oh my God. That shit, them shits is nasty as fuck. Nasty as shit. God, there's like a little supercharger in this joint. I swear to God, there's a little supercharger.
Sound like, I don't know what that sound is.
You heard what that is?
Who calling me? Oh, shit. Hello? I'm good. Yeah, no, I should be there in time. Yep. Wow. Look, they already calling me. Yeah. Talking about some. If you can't make it in the dime, be in the morning. Nope. Doing my shit today. What you talking about?
Hey, that nigga got a BBL with. He got a BBL with no ass. Hey, nah, this bitch clean as fuck though. But now we better go get new tires for this junk. Cause y'all see. Damn. Y'all see that junk. That shit clean. BBL Rango though. BBL Rango. That bitch clean. Look. From here, that bitch clean as fuck. Hey man, I ain't gonna lie though. These tires, my boy, finna be mine. Y'all niggas about to get burnouts though. Let's see what size he is. Michelin's 305 4020s. We gonna see them bitches work. Damn. That nigga fucked up on these though. I ain't gonna. That nigga got a Johnny. That brother got a Johnny. Be seeing Widebody Rangos like that though. For real. I got Big Blue right here. Damn. That gap is crazy though. That nigga for sure needs spacers and he need 315s. Sheesh. Fool, this nigga real life got a BBL window. Hey bro, I know y'all see that bro.
I got 3 warrants, 5 different cars in 3 different states. I need a cat, Brody hit me back and dropped his ETA. Broke the window, owner came out, this chopper PTA. Never caught lacking, yeah, fuck the county, they gon' drop.
Set me up. not squeeze Ben, bro. This nigga think we squeezing shit. Nigga think he got 9 lives and shit. Nah, he tripping if he doing this shit on the corner here. He bugging. Alright, nah, he bugging. This nigga bugging. Look a tad bit bad. They got new shoes. They still BBL with no ass. Y'all, I know y'all see that little dent. BBL with no ass. That'd be a fat. Turn that shit down.
Did you see the deal? They said come out with the deal. This thing come out.
You got a BBL with Look, you got a BBL with no ass, bro. Like where the wheel at? But nah, look at that shit, bro. That motherfucker hard as shit. Hey, watch out, cuz. Hey, Mo. Watch out, player.
Seen that shit?
I'm trying to get it. There you go.